Mercedes used their turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder M254 engine for the rear-wheel drive GLC 300 and all-wheel drive GLC 300 4MATIC. This powertrain has 48-volt mild hybrid technology, with a second-generation integrated starter generator, ISG. The GLC 300 produces 258 horsepower, 192 kilowatts, and 295 pound-feet, 400 Newton-meters, of torque, with the ISG providing an additional 23 horsepower, 17 kilowatts, and an increased 148 pound-feet, 200 Newton-meters of torque. Both of these variants pair their engines with Mercedes' 9-speed transmission. The company says the 2023 GLC Duo can sprint to 60 miles (amp) 96 km per hour, in 6.2 seconds. This model features 4.5-degree rear wheel steering, but will not be available on the US version due to the low take rate. The new GLC is slightly larger than the model it replaces. The overall length of the 2023 model year has increased by 2.4 inches to 185.7 inches. The wheelbase has increased by 0.6 inches but is 0.1 inches shorter. While the width of the crossover remains the same, the front and rear tracks have been increased by 0.3 and 1.9 inches, respectively. The larger footprint means more cabin and cargo space, which increases by 1.8 cubic feet to 21.2 cubic feet. The new GLC is also slicker, as Mercedes has lowered its drag coefficient from 0.31 to 0.29. The company optimized a number of components, such as underbody panels, wheel spoilers, roof spoilers and more, designing the new crossover with comfort, quietness and efficiency in mind. The GLC's new design features a front-end styling that combines sleek headlamps with a grille. The AMG line package gets a grille decorated with a three-dimensional star pattern. The 2023 GLC looks more athletic than the previous model, with an updated greenhouse design and an all-new rear end with new taillights. Wheel sizes range from 18 to 20 inches, while Mercedes will offer them with an optional running board and optional digital light. The 2023 GLC sees a substantial upgrade, taking inspiration from the new S-Class. Mercedes has paired the driver's 12.3-inch display on the dashboard with the 11.9-inch center screen, which incorporates second-generation MBUX infotainment technology. The dashboard and doors get a new makeover, and the crossover comes with standard features like wireless charging plus heated front seats. Mercedes is also updating its equipment package based on buyer behavior. Safety is especially significant in the new GLC, with Mercedes offering the driving assistance package. Mercedes has also improved the active distance assist distronic, which can now react at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, up from 30 miles per hour. The German brand hasn't said when the new GLC will launch, but we'll have more information on trim levels and prices closer to the on-sale date. Mercedes plans to expand the GLC lineup, with the presence of a plug-in hybrid variant at a later date. Meanwhile, the high-performance AMG GLC version will be launched sometime next year. In addition to the GLC 200 and GLC 300e mild hybrid and PHEV variants shown with the debut of the GLC X 254, pictured here are the diesel GLC 220D, petrol GLC 300, and plug-in hybrid GLC 400e and GLC 300e. A number of powertrains accompany the debut of the 2023 GLC, consisting of a mild hybrid as well as a plug-in hybrid petrol and diesel powertrain, and now the manufacturer has released its sizable collection of GLC images following an initial batch of replacements.